Whether you're using video for company broadcasts, internal communications, or employee onboarding and training, streaming video behind the firewall can be unpredictable and the source of a lot of stress. You might think your video platform is the problem, but in reality, it's probably your network. You see, there's plenty of bandwidth in the cloud where these videos are stored, and there's plenty of bandwidth on the corporate LAN behind the firewall. But there's a major bottleneck in the connection between the two. A single user streaming video is handled easily. As more users start requesting the video asset, the internet connection is quickly saturated. AltitudeCDN Omnicache is an enterprise caching solution for both live and on-demand video. Once Omnicache is deployed on a network, the first time a user requests a video, it is pulled down from the cloud and stored locally. Then, all requests from the file are served transparently to the users from the local network, effectively utilizing enterprise LAN resources while remaining transparent to the end user. Omnicache is a software solution deployed entirely behind the firewall, most of the time on existing servers. Unlike other popular video delivery solutions, it doesn't require any plugins or client software to be installed on viewing devices. With just a simple DNS redirection, you immediately begin to benefit from Omnicache. Learn more about how AltitudeCDN Omnicache can dramatically improve video playback performance without requiring a WAN upgrade. Visit ramp.com today.